Good morning, all. In today's class of marketing, I am going to discuss a continuing topic in marketing philosophies. I have discussed all marketing philosophies, the marketing concepts like production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal marketing concept. Here is one more topic in this session 3, that is relationship marketing. Okay, it's a very important topic. It is called relationship marketing. As we know, in marketing, customer is the god, or we can say king of marketing. If customer is satisfied, then only we can exist in market. So it is very good to have good relationship with customers. So relationship marketing means to maintain good relationship with customers so that customer is satisfied, and customer satisfaction is the aim of marketing. So relationship marketing, let's understand this. The approach came into existence in 1990s. Okay, relationship marketing came in 1990s. As the name suggests, this approach focuses on customer retention. Retention means to hold customer retention means to hold customers for long time, means customer को रोके रखना अपनी कंपनी में by satisfaction. Retention and satisfaction rather than being transactional in nature, means we just don't have to do transaction with customer. Transaction means लेन देन, हमें सिर्फ कस्टमर से लेन देन नहीं करना है. We have to maintain good relationship with customer. The approach aims to build stronger relationship with customers and its business partners. What is relationship marketing? It's an approach to build good relationship with customers and business partners. Although the idea of building relationships with customers was given its due importance in marketing concept, but extending relationships to business partners make relationship marketing unique. Okay, means there is a very much importance of marketing with customer, relationship of customer. The approach suggests developing stronger relationship with its partner. Partner means who are suppliers. Suppliers are those people who supply raw material to organization. Okay, supplier supplies raw material. Kacha mal, for example, sugar cane. If we are making sugar from sugar, then sugar cane is a raw material. And distribution, it will lead to better channel arrangements. Channel means the members who supply goods from manufacturer to customer, like wholesaler, retailer, distributor, agent, broker, all are channel members. High level of cooperation. Cooperation means to work jointly, एक साथ काम करना. Less conflict. Conflict means dispute, लड़ाई. कम misunderstandings, and increase efficiency. Efficiency means good working. In relationship marketing, everyone is treated as customers. By relationship building with all these organizations and individuals, individual means single person, organization means company, we can develop strategies that are in the best interest of everyone in the entire channel of distribution. As a result, everyone wins. Means the result of relationship marketing will be that we will successful and our customer will be satisfied. So relationship marketing simply means to have good and stronger relationship with customer, because it is well said, it is easy to sell an old customer than to a new customer, because new customer will not easily satisfy with your products. An old customer who knows about your company and your product will get satisfied soon. So it is very good practice to retain and hold old customers. So we must have good relationship with our old customers. We must maintain good relationship by providing customer satisfaction. Simply, if we are having more and more customer, then our company or organization will exist properly in the market, will have good market share. Okay, so this topic is over. Now some differences among all the production concept, product, selling, marketing, societal marketing are given. I have discussed them in detail. Here some differences are given. You can also read them. Then you can learn keywords. Afterwards, just practice knowledge assessment 5, short question, long question, just study all them. Okay, so this session 3 is over. Next session I will start in next video. Okay, so all these practice questions are very important, like MCQ, multiple choice questions, true false, objective type questions, true false, fill in the blanks. Just practice them also. Okay, so session 3 is over. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in next video.